Is your Ecovacs Deebot T9 suddenly playing freeze dance in the middle of cleaning? Does it stop, beep helplessly, and flash a dreaded sensor error? When your Deebot T9 stops suddenly, it's a cry for help. The culprit is often a combination of faulty, rusted cliff sensors and corroded charging plates. When these fail, your robot loses its eyes, turning your staircase into an invisible cliff it's destined to fall from. The impact alone can destroy the shell, LiDAR turret, and drive motors. But the real danger is the internal short circuit. A hard fall combined with a faulty battery and corroded contacts can fry the motherboard, turning a repairable robot into a pile of electronic junk. You're not just looking at a costly repair anymore. You're looking at a total loss. Don't let your cleaning companion take a dive. At RoboCare, we prevent these disasters. We don't just guess, we diagnose. Using specialized diagnostic tools, we run a full system check that immediately pinpoints the failures. Our process confirms what we see so often: a faulty trio of corroded cliff sensors, rusted charging plates, and a dying battery. From there, our solution is precise. We don't just patch the problem, we replace the entire faulty circuit with genuine components. We meticulously clean any internal corrosion to ensure it won't happen again. But talk is cheap. Let's get to the results. After the RoboCare repair, it's back in action. Perfect navigation, full cleaning power, and a flawless return home. Have a robot vacuum in distress? We have the solution. Contact RoboCare today for an expert diagnosis.